guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a how-to. I'm going to show you guys how to use loose pigment. This guy right here in particular. I'm going to show you how to foil it on the eye, and then a simpler way towards the end, how to use it in a different way. So if you guys want to find out how to use loose pigment, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And if you enjoy this video, please, please, please give it a big thumbs up. So let's jump right on in and get started. Okay, so let's jump right on into this video. So I can show you a simple way to do it and a more complex, but it's a more fun way, and I like it better way to use the loose pigment. So right off the bat, I have the NYX Shimmer Down Pigment. I'm going to show you it this way first, the more fun way for me, and then I'll show you the really simple, easy, quick way with a different color. This one is in the shade Pink Mauve. So I have that, and then I have this little guy. This is just a little cup. You can get these at Dollar Tree. You get like 10 of them, I think, for $1. So, and then you can use water or you can use setting spray. I'm going to use setting spray. And I'm just going to take it and squirt it. And that's all I'm going to put in there for right now. But you can see I already have like part of my eye on. And you just take it and let's see if you can get a good shot. And then just tap it out. You can kind of see it in there. And then we're going to take our handy dandy makeup brush. And I'm just going to stir it up. I guess it'd be helpful if you could see it. Okay, so this is the kind of situation, the kind of consistency that we're looking at. So it's a little runny for my liking, so I'm going to add a little bit more powder. And put that down, try not to knock it over. And I'm going to stir it up some more. See if you can see. This should be good. Should be all right. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right there. I know it looks really gross. I know, believe me, I know. Okay, so I left this naked spot on my eye there for a reason, on purpose. Do I want to do that? Okay, I'm just gonna pop it on the back of my hand because I don't want to put it on my eyeball yet. But look how freaking pretty that is. Okay, and then you just take your brush and you dip it right into the pot and put it on. We're going to dip it in there. And you can make as much or as little as you would like. I made a fair amount. And then you just pop it right onto your eye. And a piece fell out. A little bit more. I'm so glad you guys can see. Just gonna round it out a little bit. And if you do get any kind of chunks in there, you can just spritz, put a little bit more setting spray or water, whatever you want to use, into this and mix it up some more. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. So you just layer it on, and this is kind of buildable to an extent. Uh-oh, I'm losing pieces. It dried up a little bit. I'm just gonna add a dab, just a dab will do ya, and finish out my other eyeball. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to just finish out my eye, and I will be right back to show you the other way to use this product. So now that I have the rest of my eyeballs done, I'm going to show you the really simple and easy way to do this, to use this pigment. Sorry. Okay, and also what I did with the this stuff That is called foiling it. So again, this is what I made a little bit bigger. This is what it looks like when you foil it. I really like it. I will show you with a different color and the same color, just so you can see what the difference is. What is this called? The NYX glitter primer I'm going to use. I'm just going to pop some of that out. I don't know why I'm singing it. Okay. And then I'm going to rub that right here on my hand so you can just see how it would work. And what you would do is you would rub it on your eye. So, I got way too much out. Way too much. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, so I'm going to dab a little bit of this out on something. I have glue all over my fingers. Okay, I'm just going to use my hand. Forget it. So you pop a little bit of that out. Why can't you see it? It's right there. I'm going to pick that up with my finger. And then I guess pop it right here. So it's a little bit more powdery, obviously, when you do it this way. And you don't get that great of a shine. So here's the foiled, what we did on the eye. And then this is just on top of glitter, glue, primer, whatever you want to call it. And then I will show you with the other shade. This one is in the shade Platinum. It's just a silver. But I will still show you what it looks like. So hard to see if I've even, yep, I did. This one comes out, I don't know, differently. It is different. Kind of chunky, actually. Okay, let me see if I can get a good spot. So that's what that one looks like. That one looks a little bit better. On top of the glue. I can only imagine what it would look like foiled. I haven't tried it yet foiled, but it gets everywhere. I'm kidding. I just like it better foiled because, one, it doesn't make a huge mess. It's kind of contained into a container. There's not any fallout. It dries very quickly. So you don't have to worry about, oh no, I hit my eye, or I can't blink because it'll transfer. Nothing like that. That's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.